Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to collaborate in Revit. So if you're working in a construction project, and so if you have a team, you work with a team, so for everyone in your team is working in the same project, and finally we should have the final project, and in this process everyone in this team is create and modify some things, and we should receive the modification of your member in the team, and if you modify something, your friends in the team should receive this modification. So how to collaborate in Revit is that what I will show you. So the first step is to be in collaboration. So I will click collaborate there. I will click on collaborate. I will active that this project will be in collaboration with some other person, like that. So in this screen I will active the first. Okay, now I'm sure that my project is in collaboration or in the mode of work, in work sharing. It's now in work sharing mode. So I can share this project with other person, and I can modify, and other person can modify, and me I can receive. So now if I save this project, so the project will be saving as a central project. The central project is like the sources of this project, and project that I will share with my friends in the team, they will be a local project. So you should have the difference between the source project is the central project, and the other project that I will share, or the other structure that I will share with my friends in the team, that will be as a local project, or a local structure. So now I will save. As you see, I will save, and the Revit will tell me that I will save the central project. So I will click File, Save Project. So the first step is to activate collaboration mode, and the second is to save. I will click Option. So I will modify something. Okay, and I will save. So now I'm saving my project. Now I will see the name, the user's name. I will change the username, and the username will be owner. So the username or the person who creates the project is the owner of the project. So for this so I changed the username to project to owner, and I will after create another username as a member of the team, and I will change, and you will see that I can change and I can modify, and the other member of team will see my modification. I will click OK. So now I'm the owner of the project. So I will close. So now I will create another username like Ahmed or Mohammed as some member of the team, and I will modify something in the project. So now you see that is my project. The first file is the central project, and the second is for the local project. So now I will create another username like this, file, option. I will check it. Okay, and I will now Revit ask me and tell me that if I enter in this project, that will be as a local copy. You know, a local copy is the copy will be sharing with the other member of the team. That's what I'm explaining. So they tell me that if you want to work in this project, that will be as a local copy, not as a source copy or as a central copy. So it's a local copy. Okay. So I'm according that I will work in the local copy. So now I will add something or delete something. Like I will delete this for see if I can delete or I cannot. So they ask me and they tell me that the owner of this project is Jack Fluid. So I cannot delete or add some things if this owner accorded. So for accorded, I will click there, and now I will enter in the project as check fluid. Foresee foresee this notification and accord the modification. You know, so Revit. Option. Now I will enter as check fluid, because check fluid is the owner of the project. So okay, I will synchronize. So now you can see this message. No, they tell me that check is the second user or the second member of the team who delete something or modify something. They need to the accord for his modification. So now I will accord the modification. Accord. I will see in my project. So they tell me that the according is verified. I will synchronize. Okay. And you can see as you can see, check is the second member of the team. So now they can modify anything in his project. So I will receive now another modification. They tell me that check should have the accord for his modification. I will accord it. I will synchronize. So now I will see if I can. So I delete something. I will delete something else. So I can delete it. I can delete anything. I will synchronize. Okay. Now I'm check fluid. Now I will enter to the other user. So the other user, I will synchronize in check. Okay, I will see that the modification, that the second member of the team can see this modification, as you know. So as you see that you can synchronize by there, and there is the user. So now for recap all that I explained, if you have a project, the first step is to activate the collaboration mode by there, collaborate, and you active the first. The second is to save the project, and you should save it as a username that you know. the second step is to create or to share your project as with your member or with the member of the team. The second member or the other member of the team will modify some things, and for the first time they can't modify because the owner of the project should accord the modification. So if the owner of the project or the person who save it for the first time or who created the project accord, they will see they can modify. And if they modify, and you as the owner, you should see the modification. You should, so you have to synchronize by this. And the other member, if you synchronize, you will see the modification, and like that. And if you save any modification or modify some things, you should synchronize, and the other member of the team will accord the modification. And if they synchronize, they will see in the project the modification.